curly haired beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you have curly hair, you know how important it is to take care of those fabulous curls. Today I have got you covered with 10 essential tips on how to maintain and love your curly locks. So let's dive into the tips. First thing first, understanding your curl type is crucial for proper hair care. Curly hair can range from loose waves to tight coils, and each type requires different care routines. Identify your curl pattern and tailor your regimen regularly. Tips 2. Tip number 2 is all about washing your curls. Use a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo to avoid stripping your hair of its natural oil. Aim for 2 to 3 washes per week and remember to massage the scalp gently while washing. To keep those curls hydrated and frizz-free, incorporate deep conditioning into your routine. Choose a rich, nourishing conditioner and apply it from mid-length to the ends of your hair. Leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing. Detangling curly hair can be a challenge, but with the right approach, it's a breeze. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to detangle gently, starting from the tips and working your way up to avoid breakage. One of the best tips of defining your curls is the squish to condish method. After applying your conditioner, squish your curls upwards toward your scalp to encourage curls formation. This helps achieve beautiful bouncy curls. When it comes to drying your curls, traditional towels can cause frizz. Instead, opt for a microfiber towel or a soft t-shirt to gently blot excess water from your hair. Never rub your curls. To enhance your curl patterns and minimize frizz, apply your styling product to wet hair. Start with a leave-in conditioner to curl cream, and then use a light gel or mousse to lock in the curl definition. A great technique for encouraging defined curls is plopping. After applying your products, lay a cotton t-shirt or microfiber towel on a flat surface, flip your hair onto the fabric and wrap it up, allowing the curls to sit while you finish getting ready. Protect your curls while you sleep by using a silk or satin pillowcase. These materials reduce friction, preventing tangles and frizz. Wake up to gorgeous, well-preserved curls. Last but not least, remember to schedule regular trims every 8 to 12 weeks. Trimming removes split ends and promotes healthier growth, helping you maintain the shape and beauty of your curls. That's wrap up my 10 essential tips for taking care of your curly hair. Embrace your curls, be patient with your hair's unique needs, and love your natural texture. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow curly-haired friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more hair care content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.